Okay, I've made it back home and went through some floodwaters to get here. It's very muddy, and of course I've only got thongs on because I left all my shoes in the house over in one of the cupboards. It's really, I might have to lose the thongs actually. It might be a barefoot job. I can see over there on the tree where the mud's as high as the gutters and the roof. The windows are all pretty dirty and sloppy looking. Oh, I had to walk through that bit of puddle. I've left my dog in the car, Gypsy, because I don't want her to get muddy feet in case I've got to take her out of here, but I'm hoping I can make her comfortable here. Had a bit of a surprise when we pulled up here. My mate Planko was with me and he followed me down the track and he said, look at that. I went, I'll be buggered, but I'll show you in a second. I can hear it around there. The camp oven kitchen is still there. My charcoal box is gone and looks like it's emptied itself out. It's still very flooded. My boats are there. Both my water tanks have been underwater. I tied up the mower so that the water, I didn't expect to be as high as it was, so I thought the mower engine would be safe, but obviously that didn't happen. And I don't know if you can hear it, but around there, look what I found. I found my cat. My cat's got kittens, or had. I expected the cat to be long dead. The cat's name is Zombie because I found it and it had survived a bushfire, not a bushfire, a cane fire. It had lost all of its ears, the tips of its ears, it had lost all the hair, its eyes were welded shut, they'd been burnt shut. And so I nursed it back to health and called it Zombie. There's a fish swimming on my garage, look at that. There's a bloody fishy, I might go fishing. You hungry, Zombie? Come up and catch this fish. Slippery, really slippery. I had cat food around here and I'm hoping I might even have some sealed tin food or something for her because she's starving. Oh wow. This is really slippery. I'm trying to hold my pants up with one hand because I must have lost a bit of weight in the last few days. Oh my goodness, that's my backyard. My veggie garden and my beautiful garden. I had all sorts of herbs and chilies and veggies and things growing out in there. All my stuff I stacked up. I'm coming. I don't know what I'm going to feed you. I'll have to find you a plate. I know you're hungry. Oh, where are you? You're hiding from me. Where'd you go? Oh, you're up there. How did you survive, Zombie Cat? I know, right? You've been through a rough time. Look at you, gonna come down and get a pat? Come on. Alright, I better go feed my cat. I'll turn this off so I can use both my hands. I've just managed to open the front door. I couldn't get through the kitchen door. I got the front door open. It stinks pretty bad in here. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's slotchy. Wow, everything's been moved around. How'd those kettles get out here? They were in the lounge room. My office is over there in the corner, desk. The room, there's a big camp oven down there. Can I get through this room? Everything's really slippery. I'm having trouble moving. Oh no. Well, this was the room that I was concerned about because I had boxes of books that I sell stacked up there. They're gone. They're down in there somewhere. And there's about $20,000 worth of books there gone. Got some lid lifters here. They'll be fine. Wow. I had this room was spotless. I'm not going to be able to open that door. I'm going to have to come in from this way, so I don't know how much further in the house I can get in without doing some major lifting. There's some cat footprints here. Now, how would the cat have gotten in here to do that? Cat footprints? I must have a window open somewhere, maybe. She's been in here looking for something to eat. There's my lounge room there. There's my ovens. The shelves are collapsing because they're wet. That's how the fountains got out. They were down there, I think. Although I know I moved them. The kettles are still sitting up there. The shelves are starting to collapse. I'm going to have to get them down before they just fall in a big heap. Oh, my beautiful lounge. I love that lounge. It used to be there. TV's obviously buggered. A couple of my hats still hanging up there. They stayed there. I've got a painting up here I've been concerned about. It's up pretty high. There's one of them, it's been up to the top of the frame. He goes, that one up there might be alright. It's a Peter Brown painting. And my kitchen's not looking good. The kitchen wasn't very old. Even the paint's blistering off for some reason. Wow. All my books, I had valuable books in here. Valuable to me. All my cameras are sitting there. Can't open that door. Oh, I'm trying part of my lounge. My bed. All my clothes. That's what's left of the clothes cupboard. There's a camp oven in my bathroom. Some jugs. I actually had a small collection of West German jugs. There's books in here that were in the lounge room. I don't know how that camp oven got in here. Catering room and spare bedroom. I kept a lot of catering equipment in here on shelves, and they're all stacked away in these cupboards. And anyway,